Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel. Let us start from the last bit. So what we have discussed for your AMV preparation. So sometimes I am getting delayed in making videos because of some other works and routine, academic works, etc. So please don't think otherwise. So let us continue our preparations. So if you have liked my channel, please like, subscribe, comment and share among your groups and contacts. Let us continue. So first, the shock absorbing deflection for a radius. So today basically our discussion is going to revolve around the tires, basically different types of tires. There are two types of tires basically, radial ply tires and cross ply tires. So we are going to have number of questions on these type of tires also, and some other aspects related with these tires. Okay, first question: the shock absorbing deflection for radial ply tires is more than the cross ply tires by approximately 25%. It is 25%. Next question: radial ply tires have dash rolling resistance while cross ply tires have dash grip. So now what are the blanks? Is it low and less? Is it high and more? Is it high and less? Is it low and more? It is low and less. It is first. The answer is 1. So radial ply tires have low rolling resistance while cross ply tires have less grip. So please remember these keywords so that you can answer any other related question with the radial ply tires and cross ply tires. Next question: the radial ply tires have dash slip angles as well as but dash cornering powers. So what are the answers? Is the blanks? What are the blanks? Smaller, smaller, larger and larger, or is it larger and smaller? Is it smaller and larger? So all the four combinations, these type of bits are very much confusing. So unless you have not studied, you have not revised the subject thoroughly, it will be it is very difficult to select the correct answers for such type of bits. Here they have smaller slip. Radial ply tires have smaller slip, slip angles as well as, but they have larger cornering powers. So the answer is smaller and larger. So your answer is D. So once again my request is that please remember these keywords regarding the radial ply tires and cross ply tires. Next question: the radial ply tires have dash tendency to lift off roads and dash resistance to punctures. So this is also once again a good question. Okay, so the radial ply tires have less tendency to lift off roads but high resistance to punctures. So this is a definitely required thing. Yes or no? As far as the tires are concerned, they should have less tendency to lift off the roads. Yes, they should be, and they should have high resistance to punctures. That's why they are more used in practice. Radial ply tires. So your answer is C. Next question: the radial ply tires have, what is this? Is it low steering at lower speeds, no steering at lower speeds, or is it higher steering at lower speeds, or is it none of these? Once again, don't choose option none of these among these. So definitely it will be one among the other three. So the radial ply tires have higher steering at lower speeds. Higher steering at lower speeds. Answer is C. Next question: the act of balancing in case of tires, what does it do? Is it going to, it does not eliminate waddling motion. We have discussed about waddling, wandering, etc. Okay, so it does not eliminate waddling motion, or is it going to eliminate waddling motion, or whether it will increase waddling motion, or whether it is not at all related to waddling motion. Once again, as I told you, so not at all related, etc., unrelated bits don't choose as your option. So it must be having some effect or may not have effect, right? The act of balancing in case of tires, it does not eliminate waddling motion. That means the waddling motion is going to be retained even though you are balancing the tires. So here A, it does not eliminate is the answer. Okay, next question: the cost of radial ply tires compared to cross ply tires, is it more or is it less? So, or by how much? Is it 10% less? Is it 20% less, or is it 10% more, or is it 20% more? So definitely the cross ply tires, the radial ply tires are more costly compared to cross ply tires, and their cost is 20% more than the cross ply tires. 20% more is the answer. So this is going to give you enough confidence about the each and every topic. That's how we are preparing. Actually, we are going in depth for each topic, boys, so that you will be in a position to answer any question related with those topics. That is what is our aim in preparing thoroughly. Okay, next question. In the representation of radial tire 150 SR hyphen 15, the letter S represents. So there is a representation, a particular method is followed. Okay, some letters and combination of digits followed. So you just study these bits very carefully. So in the representation of a radial tire, so it will be, let us say it is represented by 150 SR hyphen R dash 15. The letter S, what does it do? What does it represent? It represents the speed. S means speed, first letter, speed. Next question. The radial tire is designated as 125 SR10. So this is a standard notation, like some digits, 3 digits initially, then 2 letters, then a dash, then 2 letters. So similar to that. So if it is represented by 125 SR hyphen 10 or dash 10, so what does the letter 10 or here indicates? So is it width of the tire in 10 inches? Now it is a question between inches and centimeters, probably meters also, right? Or is it the width or diameter? So now see the confusion. So it is going to 10 is going to tell that it is the diameter of the tire in 10 inches, diameter and inches, that you have to remember. Diameter of the tire in 10 inches. Normally the FPS system is followed for measuring these tires, etc., other their dimensions. Okay, why we don't know. Maybe still we are following the FPS system. So in the representation of a radial tire used in ambassador car as, once again, 3 digits, then 2 letters, then a dash, then 2 digits. So 250 HR hyphen R dash 15, the figure 250. So in each bit I am discussing one either letter or digit. So now here again, once again, I am discussing the first 3 digits. So what does it indicate? In the representation of a radial tire used in ambassador car as 250 HR dash 15, the figure 250 denotes the width of tire in 250 mm. Width of tire in 250 mm. I think it should be the answer is B, but I have given 250 centimeters. It is not 250 centimeters. Width cannot be 250 centimeters. Okay, that means 2.5 meters width of tire cannot be. It is width of tire in 250 mm only, right? 25 centimeters is the reasonable width. So actually it is misprinted. So take it as width of the tire in 250 mm. That is your answer. Okay, boys. Right, so once again we will stop here. So as I was telling you in my all the videos, right, number of videos available on my channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple, number of videos for your all competitive examinations, and shortly I am going to start a series for your academic examinations also, keeping in your requirements for your academic examinations, like your thermal engineering, thermodynamics, maybe strength of materials, maybe other very important subjects, COM, DOM, all other subjects, or if even your FO, FM, from the fluid mechanics, but one by one, right? Let us not mix up the things and get confused, okay? But definitely stay hooked to my channel. You are going to definitely improve the subject and you are going to be successful. You are going to emerge as successful, okay? Once again, wish you all the best, boys.